So you will be able to read the market like I am doing. Take a look, the market is going upward, $1,300 in profits, and I'm still continuing. $1,300 in profits, $1,300 in profits. Okay, now the price is facing some difficulties. Okay, $1,400 in profits, $1,500 in profits, and we are still moving upward. 1,500, and we are still moving upward. That's how you read the market. That's how the trader is on the right path. Hello traders, my greetings to each one of you. In this video I'm going to show you how to trade and make very large profits during this high volatility period. Okay, so now in a few moments we are going to see the release of big news, and you are going to trade these big news release and make profits from this release. This is King of Forex from the 1% Club. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Okay, so here we are on the euro dollar mainly. For the people who are first time watching my channel, kindly watch my content from the beginning so you understand everything from the setup and everything. So briefly, here we have the EMA 9, the EMA 20, EMA 50 and EMA 200. Okay, and now as you can see we have the volume indicator and the EMA 20 applied to it. So now the volume is getting larger and higher. It's increasing due to the high volatility that it's going to happen now because of the news release. So we are waiting for the volume to jump higher and to enter in such a way making very large profits. Okay, so I will check the charts to see the best available opportunity for the moment. It's never about overtrading. Overtrading always kills your account. So you always need to get the best available opportunity, the best entry actually. You will always have to seek the best available entry. And here as you can see I'm checking the whole charts for the best available entry. And we are moving forward. And now you will see a big movements due to the high volatility, and I will be entering the market making very large profits. So watch carefully. Now the market is accumulating the power, so traders are waiting for the news release. Pay attention, the price will start moving very fast. Okay, now the market is heading upward. As you can see, we have bullish candles, the green candles, and the euro dollar is heading upward. I am on M1 or 1 minute time frame. For the GBP dollar, the market is still slow, so traders are still waiting, and also for the AUD dollar, traders are still waiting. Okay, so mainly the best opportunity for the moment is the euro dollar, since the price started to move upward in such little aggressive mode. What we need is the volume increasing. Okay, so we need an increase in the volume to be making larger profits. And here as you can see the price is moving upward, creating some bullish candles. Okay, so let's see. Still, the volume is still low, but it's increasing. Okay, the volume crossed EMA 20. That's what I'm talking about exactly. As I told you previously, the volume will increase due to the high volatility now because of the news release. And as you can see, now the volume is increasing a little bit, and hopefully it gets larger and larger. Okay, so I'm gonna start selling from here since the price is far away from the EMA. So I will start selling to be reaching the EMA. So my take profits is around here. Of course, this is only the basic version of the EMA strategy that I'm trading on my YouTube channel, and the full version with the whole hidden secrets is available on my website. Okay, so the price now is still stable, and we need some faster movements. Be careful always with your entries. As you can see here, I've started selling the euro dollar, and now I'm going to sell another time due to this rejection here. The market wasn't able to move upward higher, so the price will be returning to reach the EMAs, and my target is around here. Okay, again we have some low movement, and on the GBP dollar the market started to move much faster. On the AUD dollar also. For the USD CAD, USD is providing a great buying opportunity. So once finishing on the euro dollar, I will start buying this market. Okay, you'll always have to seek the best available opportunities. Never overtrade, be patient, and seek the best available entries. Of course, I'm not explaining the details. Everything is very well explained in the full version. Okay, so here we are selling from the above. Since the price is facing lots of difficulties moving upward, I'm selling more to be making larger profits once the price is reaching back the EMA. So as you can see, the volume increased, the volume reached the EMA 20, showing the higher volatility now. And for the GBP dollar also. Okay, so we have the USD. It's a great opportunity now to buy it just when finishing on the euro dollar. So once I close all my profits on the euro dollar, I'll be moving into the USD. And let's see from there. That's what I'm talking about. The market is preparing for the downward movement. Big bearish candles are on the way. Wait and see how to make these fast and large profits. So the market started heading downward. Okay, so now the battle between buyers and sellers, you always have to analyze the market. As you can see, the price was mainly in a downtrend and then moved upward. And now many candles passed without reaching the EMA 9. So the price is going to return to reach the EMAs due to the weakness during this uptrend. You always have to read the market. And now the price is preparing for this downward movement. Big bearish candles are on the way. Let's wait for the big bearish candles. And the USD is still moving downward, providing a better opportunity. So if this market moves down lower and lower, it would be providing a better opportunity to enter it, okay? Because the larger the distance from the EMA 9, the better, since you will make larger profits. Again, here we have these. You always have to read the market, so the candlestick chart patterns, and as you can see, the market now is indecisive due to these candles. Why the market has entered into indecisiveness mode? Because the price was in upward movement and showed a weakness here, so the market went into indecisive mode and will be returning back to reach the EMAs. Of course, reading the market is not that easy, but the trader can only improve through more practice and experience, developing the right market reading skills through focusing on the price action and through practicing day in, day out. Okay, again, the price is still indecisive, so the market is at a stable level, let's say. And now for the GBP dollar, we don't have large movements. For the USD-CHF, it was a great opportunity, and we are still waiting to close on the euro dollar to enter this market. Okay, so the euro dollar started to move larger, higher and higher. So in this case, I will give this market the opportunity to move upward, making large bullish candles, and then I will start selling this market to make large profits once the price reaches the EMAs. Okay, so I'm waiting for the market to move upward higher and higher. And hopefully the market makes large movements. You can never control the volume of the market, of course, and the volatility, but higher volatility, high volume, fast markets is always recommended to trade in forex trading, especially in scalping. So in scalping, it's always recommended to trade high volatility markets. As you can see, that's what I'm talking about. Big bearish candles are on the way, and here we are seeing these big bearish candles. The price, as always, is dictating my predictions. That's how I can read the market like an open book. With more practice and experience, you will be able to do that. Don't give up. Okay, so now the market started the downward movement. The price has reached the EMA 9, as you can see, but I didn't close here. My target is there to be making larger profits. Let's see, on the other hand, the USD-CHF also has returned. So as suggested previously, it was a great bullish opportunity to buy here, and now you should be closing on your profits. However, we have missed it since we are trading the euro dollar still. It's always better to close on one chart on your profits and then open another chart. So you'll be focusing on one chart, and your margin is always relaxed, trading only one market, one chart. And in scalping, you are always making fast entries and fast exits. So the waiting period is not so long, especially when the market, that's why it's always recommended to trade high volume, fast markets. So the trader, the scalper actually can enter the market very fast and exit in a very fast mode. Again, the price is still fluctuating in this area. And now I will be selling more to be increasing my profits. The price here is facing a very tough resistance level and will be bouncing off from there, reaching the EMAs. Okay, as you can see, the market is still fluctuating, actually, the bullish traders are trying to break this resistance level. However, it's always rejected, it's always a failure, and from there the price will return downward to reach the EMAs. On the other hand, the GBP dollar is still also very close from the EMA, so we don't have any entry here. For the AUD dollar also, we don't have any entry yet. However, it was a great selling opportunity there. Okay, for the USD-CHF, here we are. The price has well returned. Okay, for the Euro GBP, it's providing a good opportunity here. It was a good opportunity to sell and to close on your profits once the price reached the EMAs. For the AUD yen, we have a great opportunity here. Okay, now it's time to buy the AUD yen. Okay, the euro dollar is going to return, so I will do not be missing the AUD yen. I will start buying here since I will be closing very soon on my orders on the euro dollar. Okay, but it's always recommended again to trade one chart at a time. However, due to my experience, it's obvious for me. It's okay, that's what I'm talking about. As I told you, the market is always dictating my predictions. The price has reached the EMAs and now it's moving forward. Okay, so let's get back to the AUD yen. I'm going to buy the AUD yen here. Okay, and for the euro dollar, the market reached the EMAs and we should be close. Okay, so the price is still very close to the EMAs. Okay, again, now it's time to close on the euro dollar. Okay, so I'm going to close my euro dollar orders. Okay, well done. Now we can move to the AUD yen. As you can see, we can place more orders here on the AUD yen to be making larger profits. Okay, so the first profits here on the AUD, on the euro dollar, $64 profits. That's it. Trading is so easy when you are able to read the market in this way. Okay, now the euro dollar has returned exactly as expected as always, and now we are waiting for the AUD yen to start moving upward. However, I have placed many orders here, and that's all about the experience trading the full version of the EMA strategy. So you know when you have the big profits and when to enter. Take a look here. Take a look here and pay attention. Now the market is creating a large distance. So now I will be making very large profits from this entry. So I will increase my orders on the AUD yen since it's going to make very large profits in a very short amount of time. That's scalping. Scalping is the best way in forex trading and the most lucrative actually, since the scalper can enter and exit the market in a very fast mode, so making very large and fast profits. Okay, for the euro dollar here, the price is stuck on EMAs. We have already closed. The GBP dollar started to move faster also. Okay, so let's get back to the AUD yen. We're going to make large profits here. Again, the price is fluctuating downward before moving upward. So here I'm going to increase. It's all about the reading of the market. Take a look at the price. Take a look at the volume crossing the EMA 20 and preparing for the upward movement. Many candles passed without reaching the EMA 9. We're at a good distance from EMA 9. Big bullish candles are on the way. You will see the market going upward in a very fast mode, very aggressive mode, associated with a high volume. Take a look at the profits. How much are we going to make? Very large profits from this entry on the AUD yen. The euro dollar is still around the EMAs. That's fine. Here we don't have any opportunity. The AUD dollar, it was a good opportunity here to enter, buying and reaching the EMAs. However, on the USD CAD, we don't have any opportunity yet. For the USD CHF, it was a good buying opportunity that we have missed it here, and we don't have any other opportunity for the moment. If the price continue moving downward, of course, it would be a great buying opportunity. Okay, and now as you can see from here, let's go back to the AUD yen. Again, the AUD yen started to get rejected. Okay, so let's always analyze and read the market traders. Again, the market here started moving in a downward movement, an aggressive downward. Take a look at the space that I'm giving. Okay, I'm trying to explain two things simultaneously. Okay, just focus on that. Traders, here the price was going downward. Pay attention. We are in a downward movement. Take a look at the spaces that I give to the market. That's the risk management, okay? Because when you are able to read and to feel the market, you know that the price is going to make huge downward movement. So it's a jump. So you can give the market a little space and you enter later on to be making larger profits. Take a look now at the profits made. And now after moving in this downward movement, the volume is always above, almost always above EMA 20. Plus, the price is rejected here. Take a look at this hammer. Okay, now it's time to increase the buying orders. Now we are going to make huge profits. Okay. Take a look here. The market was rejected. This is the greatest sign, because after these many candles and seeing this hammer, it's immediately a great opportunity to buy. So if you have even entered from there, it's also great. Okay, now the price is moving upward and my target is around here. As explained previously, we have these resistance areas, and now I am targeting the second resistance area between EMA 20 and EMA 50. EMA 50 to be making very large profits. So between the area 20 and 50, the red and the blue, everything is well explained as previously. Okay, as expected, that's what I'm talking about. The market was in a downward, rejected, big bullish candles are on the way. Starting from there, that's the first bullish candle, and now the market, take a look, big bullish candles are on the way. Take a look now, the price will be moving upward in a very aggressive mode, reaching this area, getting very close from the EMA 50, the blue one, the blue line. And here you'll have to be very fast in closing on your orders. Okay, so you have to be very fast closing on your orders. Pay attention, the volume is always crossing EMA 20. We are still in aggressive mode. The bullish power is very strong. Big white candles are on the way. From here, the first one, take a look, always pay attention to the market watch. We are at the last seconds of this 1 minute candle of this period. So 58, 59, okay, end of this candle. Take a look, take a look. The price will be making a big jump upward. Exactly, that's what I'm talking about. Big bullish candles. Now reaching EMA 9, moving forward toward EMA 20, and finally around EMA 50. Here I will be closing on my profits. Okay, take a look. That's what I'm talking about. The price is dictating my predictions. Big white candles, as you can see. Okay, here we are moving upward. Take a look how the market, you should be able to read the market. Take a look how traders, the bullish traders are accumulating the bullish power. Take a look how buyers are accumulating their power, moving upward, and some sellers are facing these buyers, but buyers are gaining the direction, taking the market upward. You always have to be able to read the market. Always focus when you are trading on the price action. Try to feel the price. That's the key secret of success in Forex trading. That's why you should be on the right path. Lots of nonsense out there. Lots of nonsense out there. And that's why I've started this channel, to place traders on the right path towards success. So you will be able to read the market like I am doing. Take a look. The market is going upward. $1,300 in profits, and I'm still continuing. $1,300 in profits, $1,300 in profits. Okay, now the price is facing some difficulties. Okay, $1,400 in profits, $1,500 in profits, and we are still moving upward. 1,500, and we are still moving upward. That's how you read the market. That's how the trader is on the right path. Lots of nonsense out there. Don't waste your time, traders. $1,500 in profits. Now you should be very fast. Okay, I'll be closing on my profits here and not on the above line as explained previously. Why? Due to the market facing difficulties breaking the EMA 9. Okay, so here just closing on my orders before explaining. Okay, so I wanted to close here. Already I've made huge profits, and before making this great entry, I've told you that the market is going, this entry, I've told you that it's going to be a huge profits. As you can see, $1,500 in profits within some minutes, traders. Within some minutes, $1,500 in profits. I've told you before entering this market that I'm going to increase my orders because it's a big profits. It's a big fish, let's say. Okay. That's how you should be able to read the market. However, I wanted to close on my profits there around the EMA 50. However, take a look. That's the experience I'm talking about. Even before I see this rejection here, okay, take a look here. It's well zoomed. Before the rejection here, the market here was facing some difficulties. So the price now will be fluctuating around the EMA 20. And after the red one, after these fluctuations, it depends of course, on each minute per minute. So after the fluctuation, you can analyze again if the market is going to continue toward the EMA 50 or to move downward, continuing the initial downward trend. Okay, so in such case, since you've already made large and huge profits in a very fast, very short amount of time, the best, of course, to be optimizing on the risk management part, it's better to close here. Okay, greed is always your enemy and fear is your enemy. So never be greedy in forex trading. Here it was, you've already made huge profits and you have to close. That's what I'm talking about. The market is dictating my predictions, traders. As always, what did I say some minutes ago? What I'm saying now, that I have closed here because I knew that the price is going to fluctuate around EMA 20, and after a very long fluctuation period, then the market, it depends on the price action again. On that second, how the market is going to act, either moving upward, breaking this downtrend, continuing toward the EMA 50, the blue one, or continuing the initial downtrend, moving downward again. That's why you don't need to enter in this way. You don't need to wait for these fluctuation. You just have to close very fast. That's what I'm talking about. That's how you will be able to read the market. That's how you make $1,500 in profits in a very short amount of time, as you can see. Okay, so here we are on the AUD yen on the M1 time frame, and that's it. So as you can see, traders, as you can see, that's what I'm talking about. The market is always dictating by predictions. Again, congratulations for all your big profits. I'm always receiving your great words. It's always my pleasure, traders. So congratulations for your big profits. That's what I'm talking about, traders. As you can see, as I told you, the market will be fluctuating here. So the best was to close there, to not be risking a downward movement again. Okay. So price action is essential, of course. You have to read the market. The trader can only improve through more practice and experience. Okay, I think this video is highly motivating. Okay, so don't give up, traders. Forex trading is very lucrative. What did I say, traders? I didn't close on EMA 50. Why? Because I knew that the market is not going to reach EMA 50. I knew it. That's the real trading. That's the real trading. To be able to read the market like an open book. Take a look. Take a look. Why did I close here? Because I knew the market is going to fluctuate and return. Okay, instead of reaching the EMA 50. I've closed here. Imagine how strong you should be to be able to read the market in this way like I do. Like an open book. Okay, lots of nonsense out there, unfortunately, traders. That's why I've started this channel, to place traders on the right path toward success. Otherwise, you will be wasting your time. Believe me, many traders you can see around have wasted years of their lives trading forex in the wrong way and never learned the right way, never being on the right path, unfortunately, wasted their careers in this at wrong path, never being on the right path, never using the right strategies, never understanding even what's forex trading and what's the hidden secrets in forex trading. Okay, that's it for today, traders. Again, never give up. Forex trading is very lucrative. It gives you the most beautiful life ever. Never give up. Focus on reading the market, on feeling the price. Trade day in, day out. Don't ever give up. Be on the right path. And that's it for today. This is King of Forex from the 1% Club.